All right, if you're wanting to make a work-related phone call, I encourage you to use Google Hangouts. Now, you have to be in your Chrome browser to do this, but you're going to go to hangouts.google.com. That will take you there, or you may go to your Google Apps, which I also call your waffle, and you're going to scroll down and find Hangouts, and you may go there. And you click on phone call, type in your number 270-842-3339, make your call.
Hi, thanks for calling the 24-hour Walgreens at the northeast corner of Broadway Avenue and US 31 Bypass West.
In order to make a Hangouts call from your cell phone, you will need the Hangouts app. So on an iPhone, you'll just go to the App Store and search for Hangouts, and it's this one right here. It's this little green dialog bubble, and it says Hangouts. I already have it installed, so I'm just going to click Open. And once you install it, you will need to sign in with your Warren County Google account. So I'm just going to click Get Started. And just for this purpose, I'm going to use like a dummy account. So I'm currently logged in with that account. So I'm just going to hit my checkbox. So in order to make a call from the Hangouts app, I'm just going to click the little phone icon. And then here in the center, I have what looks like a keypad. And then I can dial my number. Once you dial your number, just hit the green telephone icon. And to end your call, just hit the red telephone icon in the center. So if you want to be able to make a phone call from your cell phone but not reveal your cell phone number, you will just use the Hangouts app on your phone and sign in with your Warren County Google account.